First Alert Weather with meteorologist Eric Burke.
I did not see it in the sky. Did you see it?
I was in here, the windowless studio.
Got it.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we probably both were, but you know, still cool for all those people who got to witness that.
For sure. It's like when you're out at night and you see the shooting star and you're like, was that?
Did I just see that?
Is that happening?
Yeah.
Of course, no one else around you saw it. And they're like, maybe get your eyes checked, like that lady said. Her son said. What we're dealing with, though, we've got a ton of heavy rainfall. We do have one severe storm right now. It's in parts of Lawrence as well as eastern Lauderdale County. The concern of mine is more so a flooding threat than a wind and hail threat with this. We're also seeing a ton of lightning come out of this. You look at your lightning counter here, 553 strikes. Now that counter is what you see on the map. So this entire area over about a 5 to 10 minute window. So it's a cumulative total, but that is still very high for just the amount of coverage we have of these showers and storms. But we have a severe thunderstorm warning. If it starts to collapse, we could see that big surge of wind, maybe 50 to 60 miles per hour. And there's probably potential for maybe some nickel-sized hail. Now that hail core has now moved a little bit north. It's actually going to be north of you in Rogersville, and that's where the big concentration of lightning is. But anyone in this area, obviously be inside. This is not a shelter storm. This is more of an interior hallway type storm. Stay away from windows with the amount of lightning we're seeing too. But this is also the location, Lexington out to even Leicester, that has seen a ton of rainfall, including you in Rogersville too. Down there north of Hatton, a lot of lightning with that. Could see some maybe pea to nickel size hail too. And then over the state line, we've got more slow moving showers and storms. And the slow movement, they're almost stationary, is why our rainfall rates have been so high. These storms have just a ton of moisture to work with. So the rainfall rates have been about 1 to 3 inches per hour, and that's when the flash flood warning came out for parts of central and eastern Lauderdale County, because the rainfall rates were high and that cell was not moving. It was relatively stationary. Starting to see some showers pick up as well through portions of Madison County. If you're not actively seeing rainfall, you're probably sweating it out, but look how the temperature has fallen substantially. You were close to 90 degrees Northwest Alabama Regional Airport. Now you're sitting at 74. You get some of that rain cool there. Now, are you going to stay at 74 for the rest of the day? Absolutely not. There's a good lightning strike for you, but also look at the bases of the clouds. We're not looking at any tornadic development. That's not going to happen today. Biggest concern will be gusty winds, followed by lightning, heavy rain, and maybe some hail too. We go out into Limestone County. This is looking, I believe, off to the north and northeast. A little bit more cloud cover continuing to push in. If you have plans for the rest of the afternoon, do not cancel them. Just keep an eye on the radar on your 48 weather app. Storm chances will increase, should stay scattered in nature, not necessarily just concentrated over parts of northwest Alabama. I think they'll start to spread out, and we'll see more of an equal chance as far as coverage goes. There are your threats again, not just for today, but also the storms developing on Saturday as well as Sunday afternoon. Your weekend will not be a total washout, but it will rain and storm at times, mainly during that afternoon evening time frame. Look at the feels like temperature. We're not seeing triple digits, but you can see how powerful that rain cool there is, as it now feels like low to mid 70s. If you're not seeing rain, heat index still climbing into the upper 90s to lower 100s, tracking potential for scattered showers and storms with a bit more coverage for Sunday afternoon as well as Monday and Tuesday of next week.